Hello YouTube, welcome back to Burping. I know I have not been burping at all, and I do want to say after next week I have about 5 days left with this iPad because I'm a senior and this is my school iPad. I'll have to give it back soon to the school. So this might be my last burping video for you guys for some time. Until I get a laptop, which will have a webcam, and it will do burping, and I will do a lot more than burping. I will do horror games and video games if you enjoy that as well. But I will also do burping. But I'm sorry, this might be a huge break in time before I am able to do a burping video again, but I promise I will. I will do my best to continue burping for you guys. As you can see, I am not very happy about it either. I love making videos for you guys, and there will be a huge break in time, maybe a month max, but I will have a laptop before a month and a half is over, after I get this iPad back. So without further ado, I'm going to do my last burping video with you guys. So yeah, I'm doing my best, guys. Do as many good burps as I can. Please give me some good luck. Let's go. First off, first do your business, saying hello to my fan out there. Fail. Cream soda does not work. Note to self. Cream soda is not good for burp. Alright. No. Paper Girl, you already know that I burp your name every time. For those others out there, this guy likes me to burp his name, so I mean, he enjoys it, so I'll do it for him. I just did it, so I mean, I'm not gonna do it again. But alright, now the burps. I really want to burp with you guys, but me being sad that I won't be able to do videos with you guys for a while is not exactly helping. I gotta get myself together on this because this is my last burping video with you guys and I have to do my best. Alright. I really hope I can do better than this, guys. I'm trying not to let you down. I really am. Because this is my last burping video. I will tell you why this is my last burping video. Is because with this iPad, I'm going to do some more off-screen video game recordings before I turn it in, because I like playing video games and I love recording it for you guys. But the problem is nobody's watching it. It would really make me happy and motivate me to do better burps if you guys would watch my other videos as well. And leave comments saying, like, we watched your videos. It would give me a spirit. So when I finally am able to do burping videos again, I will give you the burping that you will deserve. But, I mean, you can meet me halfway and watch other videos that I've done. That'd really help out too. But back to this burping. Guys, I am really trying for you guys right now. I really am. I guess it's not just you guys. I guess it's me as well. This is not my last burping video. So, don't be, unsubscribed just because I'm not going to do burping videos. I am going to do burping videos again. I promise you. I will. But I need to get a laptop first. I'm almost to... With my graduation, I will probably get about a total of $150 to $200. I'm already about $287. The laptop I want is $315 without tax. That's about a total of $360 some. Now, if I were to get a better laptop, it's $399, which is also a Hewlett Packard, which is what I'm going to get. I could have a better laptop, and I would still have enough money. And then I would be able to do burping videos for you guys again. So, the fact that I will probably be getting a job over the summer as well will also help it out. So, I mean, don't be afraid. Don't think I'm not going to do burping videos for you guys. I am. I will. Again. Because despite the fact that I myself think it's a little immature, I still do it for you guys. Because I care about you. As long as you guys care about me, I care about you. You support me, I pay you back. That's what YouTube's about. Trusting each other. Believing each other, supporting each other, pleasing each other. YouTube, trying to gain subscribers, being the best, that's not what YouTube's about. YouTube's about enjoying yourself while letting other people enjoy the videos as well. And the fact to meet each other halfway. YouTube is not just some video site to all the arguments online. What's the point? Online is not meant for, neither is YouTube. The YouTube and Google Plus arguments that I've been having, it's occurred to me, there's no point. The internet is not about arguments. It's not about that sort of stuff. It's social media. Not where you be mean to others or do bad things, insult people, or neglect them and ignore them. It's not the point of it. The point is to become better with people, make new friends, meet people, and enjoy your life in a way that you can enjoy with others at the same time. Like online video games. Things like that. That's what YouTube and other social media sites are about. Not arguments. I understand discussions and opinions, but arguments, it's taking it too far. Society, online, is learning each other's feelings and acknowledging them. I know this burping video has turned more into an informative video, but I will do one more burp for you guys. Forgive me. Don't leave bad comments for everything I've said. I'm just trying to enlighten you, to tell you information that you need to know. Why I won't be recording videos for some time, and to tell you what YouTube is really meant for. Of course, it's meant for putting videos on, but it's also mostly used. The videos on YouTube are technically just the opinions of other people and help you learn about them. That is what YouTube's about. One more burp, and then I have to go. and I will bid you a very fond farewell. The channel that I have is not dying, and I will return with burping videos very soon. Within the month, or maybe 2 months, I promise you, I will be back. One more burp. Sorry, YouTube. That's all I have. Enjoy YouTube while you can. Enjoy YouTube the rest of your life if you want to. But remember, it's not just about videos. It's about getting to know people and respecting their beliefs. Peace out. I will see you again. I promise. Burping videos will return.